Hi there, welcome to Elmo and Friends, and may I say, welcome to Sesame Street, cause today on Sesame Street, I'm gonna meet my new friend Big Bird. He should be here soon. Oh, I think I hear him coming now.
Oh, you must be Goofy. Hi, I'm Big Bird.
Pleased to meet you, Big Bird. It's so nice to meet a brand new friend. It's so nice to meet a brand new friend of mine.
It's so nice to meet a brand new friend of mine. Friends are cool, friends are grand, friends are great too. It's so nice to meet a friend of mine.
It's so nice to meet a brand new friend.
Of mine.
Oh, hi, welcome to Sesame Street. Today on Sesame Street, you'll be seeing the letter D and the number
4.
Now, come on, everybody. Let's think of some words that start with the letter D. Dog,
Dinosaurs. Uh, a, a dick.
dirt, and Daisy.
And I'm gonna count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the number of the day.
And that's the number of the day. Do. And before we go, we want to sing our goodbye song. I hope you had fun learning about friends today on Sesame Street. Cause I met a brand new friend of mine. His name is Big Bird. He's a bird. He's really kind. He's really cool and hip. You'll never meet a friend like Big Bird cause he's really hip. You'll never meet a friend like Big Bird cause he's really hip.
Before we go, we want to sing another goodbye song. Hey, this was really fun. We hope you liked it too.
It seems just like that we just begun when suddenly we're through. Goodbye, good friends, goodbye. And tomorrow just like today. But hey, I say, well, that's okay.
'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know. Very soon, I know. Goodbye, goodbye.
Good friends, goodbye. And tomorrow just like today. The moon, the bear, and the big blue house will be waiting for you to come and play. To come and play. To come and play. Bye now.
Bye, bye.
Sesame Street was brought to you today by the letter D and the number 4. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Bye-bye, everybody. See you next time on Elmo and Friends.